Hello, beautiful people. How are you all? Hoping that you're all good and doing well. So, today in our video, we will learn some of the basic tips that everyone can follow while going to an interview. So, generally, when we are trying for a job, the first thing that we must clear to get a job is an interview, right? Without the interview, I think there will be no one providing you a good job, right? To get a good job and to be placed in a better position, you must attend the interview first. So while moving to an interview, we must follow some of the basic tips so that we can be the priority of the firm who are hiring us from the others. So in our video, let us start learning some of the basic tips. So let us start our video now. Welcome to our channel Decors and Daily Tips. So if you didn't subscribe our channel still, please subscribe our channel and give us your support for doing many other videos like this. The first tip that we must follow is research the company beforehand. Before attending an interview, you must always do some research about your prospective employer and the job role for which you are being interviewed. By doing this, you will be able to answer well when interviewers ask you questions like, what do you know about our company? Why are you interested in joining our company? What are our products? Who are our competitors? And so on, like this, related to their company. The second tip that we must follow is update our CV. We must always update our CV according to the up to date thing that we have done. For your CV is the most important document which sells you to the firm. Keep it updated by adding all your skills and experiences. You must not fake the information in your resume, and also see that your CV is always short, that is, it should not be too verbose and lengthy. The third tip that we must follow is arrive early at the venue. Being punctual is something you should practice in everyday life as it will help you always. You must always arrive 15 minutes early at the interview venue so that it also keeps you settled down and even relaxed. The fourth tip is be confident. When you are called inside the interview room, walk straight with a slight smile on your face, not by giggling or laughing very loud. Next, we must greet the interviewer by giving a firm handshake. Look into the eyes of the interviewer and respond to the questions asked, as it will make them feel that you are confident about yourself and also you are confident with your answers. The fifth tip that you must follow is be neatly groomed and dress formally. You must always maintain personal hygiene. Use a mild deodorant or perfume, not very more perfume. Ensure that your mouth doesn't smell. To get rid of the smell, use the natural products like cinnamon, cloves, and mint leaves and all. Neatly comb your hair. Men must always have beard shaved before attending an interview. There should be no long beard before you attend an interview. The first impression is the best impression. So, you must always dress in a right manner for an interview. It gives the interviewer an idea of how serious you are about getting the job as well as your dressing sense. Don't wear zazzy or bright colored clothes, because if you wear a light colored clothes or a subtle color clothes, they will be in a pleasing way to the eye. It is not essential for women to wear western clothes. Always remember this point. Women can wear a sari or salwar kameez. Next, the sixth point that is important is maintain a composed body posture. Your body posture can speak volumes. It is very important to maintain the right body posture. Sit straight, leaning straightly forward. Do not lean backward or even bend too much forward. Do not play with the pen or hair or any other things around you or around the table that you have been seated. Do not come to an interview with a chewing gum in your mouth. The seventh thing that you must follow is don't exaggerate. First, listen carefully. To answer correctly, you must first listen to what is being asked. If you are not clear about the question, ask the interviewer to repeat the question. Next, the eighth thing that we must do is say I don't know if you don't know the answer. If you are asked a tricky question and you do not know or are not confident about your answer, then say I do not know the answer to this question. The interviewers are fine if you don't know the answer but would not like to listen to any faulty or wrong answers. If you do not know the answer, it is a good idea to tell the interviewer that you can find out the answer. Ask where can you research, who can you ask, and so on, so that you can find the answer for that question. This is a reassuring to the interviewer. The ninth point that we must keep in mind is always be honest to the interviewer, because being honest is to the interviewer questions. Like point may backfire in the future. You're not supposed to know everything, so it is okay to accept it humbly. It's better than giving a worse response and creating a wrong impression as well. So, these are some of the basic tips that we can follow while attending an interview. So, I hope you like the video. If you like our video, please subscribe and share our channel so that even it will be a support to us. Thank you.